Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. It looks like this. Once you find the alarm icon, tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can add the new alarm or set the new alarm by tapping on Add Alarm, setting the time on which it should go off, and can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. And once you set the time, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here you can select the days on which the alarm should be active. And you have basically days of the week. Select the one you like. For example, Monday and Tuesday, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, our alarm was added. It will go off on 6:24 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. And you can turn it on or off. You can add another alarm if you want to have multiple ones, like this. And you can also tap on the alarm to edit the alarm. Basically, you can change the time, the repeat option, and you can also you can change the label, never mind. Another thing you can do is to remove the alarm. So if you tap on it, you can tap on the lead and tap on the check mark to remove it. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.